Hello all the lovely people, welcome back to your one and only favorite cooking show, Nikhil's Gourmet Food. Isn't this looking tempting and delicious? So today we are making spicy and tasty tawa pulao. Please do watch the whole video without skipping any part as it is very important to make a perfect tawa pulao. So first we have taken 3 cups of rice. We are going to wash it and then we are going to soak it for 20 minutes at least. Wash it with clean water for 3 to 4 times so that the impurities are gone. Let it soak for 20 minutes. So here are some vegetables and whole spices required for the tawa pulao. So keep it ready. So now is the time to cook the rice. In a vessel add water, add enough salt. It's okay if you add too much of salt as we are going to drain the water after the rice is cooked properly. Now is the time to flavor the rice. So for that I am adding 2 bay leaves, 2 hari elaichi or green cardamom, 7 to 8 black peppercorns, 8 to 10 cloves. Stir in all the whole spices. Also add little oil to it so that the rice does not stick to each other. You can also add little lemon juice and the grains will not cling to each other. I'm also adding a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera as it gives a good flavor and taste to the pulao. Now we have to check on the soaked rice and we have to drain the water and remove the rice for further cooking. We are going to add the rice to the boiling water and start stirring it slowly so that the rice grains do not break, and let it cook on high flame. Also, while the rice is cooking, keep a check on it and remove it and check whether the grains are cooked or not. So after 10 to 15 minutes, our rice is fully cooked. So now we are going to remove it in a strainer and strain the excess water. So here is a pro tip for you guys. Don't throw the water. You can use it in your curries or gravies as the rice water is very nutritive in its nutrition content. So do use it. After the rice is cooked, pour some cold water over it to get rid of the excess starch from the rice. Now let's make the masala for the tawa pulao. For that, I am going to take a pan, add oil and butter to it, let it heat and melt. Add 1/4 teaspoon mustard seeds, let them crackle. Add 1 teaspoon jeera or cumin seeds, let them crackle. Now mix in with a spoon. Then we are going to add 4 to 5 sliced onions. Let the onions cook properly and change its color. If you want to speed up the cooking process, you can add a little salt as per taste so that the onions may cook faster. After cooking the onions for 7 to 8 minutes, now we are going to add the dry spices. So I am adding turmeric, red chili powder, homemade pav bhaji masala. So if you are new to my channel and want to check out my homemade pav bhaji masala recipe, so I'll link it in the description box below. Do check it out and do try it out and let me know in my comment section below. So after adding all the dry spices, mix it for around 4 to 5 minutes and cook it properly. Don't let the masala burn. Then add tomatoes. So I have used 2 tomatoes chopped roughly. Cook the tomatoes until they get little soft and mushy. Now this will take another 7 to 8 minutes to get the tomatoes mushy and soft. After the tomatoes are well cooked, now comes time to add all the veggies shown in the plate before. Also, I am going to list all the ingredients used in the recipe in the description box below. So you have to keep mixing it until it gets well coated and combined with all the masala we had made earlier. Now all the veggies are well combined and coated with the masala. So now is the time to add all the rice which we had cooked. After adding all the rice, take 2 spoons and gently mix all the rice. If you try to hurry in this process, you will end up messing your kitchen. So don't do it, and do it gently and slowly until all the rice is mixed properly. So isn't this looking yummy, scrumptious and delicious? Garnish with lots and lots of coriander and mint leaves. Thank you for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, you can watch my playlist. The link is in the description box below. So do check it out.